Today we are going to talk about what is skin fungus and how we can cure them forever and how they look like over the skin. This is the common symptom of fungus. It looks like a ring, red color ring, and there is a scaling and lots of itching. And mostly it is inside the body areas where there is warmth and where the skin is always wet, like underarms or groin area. Sometimes there are single rings, sometimes there are double rings, and sometimes there is central healing, means on one side the ring is healing and other side it is progressing. How it looks like in skin, in microscope, they look like very beautiful structures with elongated structures called as hypha, and some spores which are spherical or conical, and we call them microconidia or macroconidia. These are like seeds of these teeny plants, and they spread in air and in polluted water, and when they come in contact with the skin, they cause these symptoms called as fungal infection. They look very beautiful in different colors in microscope. All depends on what staining material we are using. Sometimes the spores look like bulbs, sometimes they are like flowers, and sometimes they are spherical like balls, and sometimes they are very transparent or elongated. Very beautiful different shapes and structures, and by these appearances we recognize different types of fungus. There are hundreds of species of fungus which infect humans, and broadly they are categorized into three parts, like geophilic, zoophilic, and anthrophilic. Those who come in humans, through humans, by personal skin to skin contact or through fomites, and these type of fungus typically cause less symptoms, while the others which spread from animals, our pets, dogs and cats, they cause more symptoms, more itching, and more wild type of red infections and symptoms. But by the microscopic test only we can recognize which type of fungus it is, and what type of antifungal will work better in your case. So whenever patient visits us, we do a skin smear test. We take a sample of skin surface with the help of KOH. KOH is a material which dissolves the fungus and skin, and it sticks to the spores and fungal hypha, and then we smear it over the slide and check it in microscope, and we find these type of different kind of structures. Once we diagnose which kind of fungus it is, then we decide which type of antifungal would work better for you, and how much what duration will be the course of the antifungal treatment. For example, mostly patients complain that whenever they take treatment, it usually clears within a week or 10 days, but whenever they stop it, it reappears again. So typically this happens with most type of fungus, is that you have to continue treatment for some elongated time, one thing. Second thing is that you have to use different types of antifungals, which we call it multi-drug therapy. Means you take different types of oral antifungals, and you take different types of topical antifungals, the creams, so that once even if the fungus is resistant to one type of antifungal, it will be covered with by the other type of antifungals you are using along altogether. Secondly, when you are immunocompromised, like in diabetic patients or in other patients where immunity is compromised, or you are on steroids, these fungus grow more rapidly, and they become more severe in their appearances. In that case, we need higher doses of antifungals. Sometimes the systemic antifungals are required, and multi-drug therapy becomes essential in these type of cases. So if you have these type of problem, you must have to visit a skin doctor and insist for a skin test, so that doctor would recognize which kind of infection you have, and then he would prescribe correctly which antifungal would work better for you, and lastly what duration you will be required to continue these treatments. Never delay for antifungal treatments, because sometimes when the infection becomes chronic, it causes skin damage. Sometimes it becomes permanent skin damage in form of stria or the stretch marks, and then it may remain forever there. So you have to take treatment as early as possible, so that not only the fungal infection would disappear, and the spots would also clear if you start the treatment early.